In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a forum in Wix. Creating a forum on your Wix site can be a fantastic way to engage with your visitors, foster community interactions, and share valuable information. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can set up your very own forum using Wix groups. First, we'll need to add Wix groups to our site. To do this, head over to the Wix App Market. Here, you'll find a range of applications, but what you're looking for is the Wix Groups app. Once spotted, click to install it onto your site. Wix Groups is a powerful tool that offers everything you need to create engaging discussion forums, so adding this app is the foundation for building your community hub. With the app successfully installed, you'll have the basic infrastructure ready to start crafting your forums. Next, it's time to create groups that correspond to your discussion topics. Think about the different themes or subjects you want to center your forums around. Is it technology, cooking, or perhaps a shared interest in photography? Each theme will be its own group, serving as a dedicated space for specific discussions. Within your Wix dashboard, you'll have the option to create new groups. Take the time to give each of these groups a name and a description that resonates with its intended purpose, making it clear to everyone what kind of conversations they can expect within. Once your groups are set up, let's enable features like discussion boards, member profiles, and announcements. These are essential components that encourage interaction and keep your community informed. In the settings for each group, you'll find options to activate discussion boards where members can post, interact, and share ideas. Member profiles will help users to express themselves, add a personal touch, and make connections within the community. Additionally, utilizing announcements is a great way to broadcast important updates or news, ensuring everyone stays in the loop. Managing permissions is an important aspect you'll want to pay attention to. Consider who can post, moderate, and view content within each group. Setting clear rules and permissions not only keeps your forums organized, but also helps maintain a respectful and safe environment. In your group settings, you'll have the ability to dictate these permissions. You can choose to make your discussions private or public, decide if you want to approve new posts before they go live, or even designate moderators to help manage discussions. Finally, make the most of Wix's Members Area tools so that your group members can have personalized profiles. This feature allows each forum participant to have their own space to share a bit about themselves and keep track of their interactions within the forum. It's an excellent way to build a sense of belonging and community as each member feels seen and heard through their profile. This step-by-step guide should set you on the right path to creating an interactive forum on your Wix site. By following these instructions, you'll have a dynamic space where people can come together to share insights, ideas, and a sense of community. So, get started and watch your new forum flourish with activity and discussion.